Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a DIY gift. I ordered this mug. It's a customized one from Amazon. So I already pre-cut a floral foam that will fit the mug. It had a cling wrap so it will not get dirty inside the mug. So we will be using the plastic eucalyptus leaves as foliage in this project. Since this is quite a small mug, and the stems of this eucalyptus are long, I had been cutting them into like 4 inches to 3 inches long. Since this mug is only one-sided, we're going to use the cuttings of this eucalyptus that are the same height and put them on both sides. I put the eucalyptus leaves around it so it kind of covers the floral foam on the mouth of the mug. Now we're going to use this round acrylic candy holder or chocolate holder. So whatever candy you're going to use, make sure it will fit on this acrylic. So most of the Ferrero, the Lindt, the round ones, candies or chocolates that I found in store basically fits in this one. And it also comes with a stick. Now you can cut the stick according to the height that you want, or you can also use the balloon sticks. Now you can push it down with the acrylic and the balloon sticks, or put some scotch tape on it so it is secure and it won't fall off. You can use as many as you can as long as it will fit on your project. I also use this plastic flower so it will be a remembrance instead of using the fresh flowers. She can use this as centerpiece in her apartment. I also repurposed the leaves of this plastic flower to fill the gaps. This pink Lindt chocolate is a birthday cake flavor. You can use whatever flavor or color you want, but this celebrant is fond of pink color. I also used the white baby's breath to fill the gaps of this project. To balance the light colors of this project, I used the fuzzy wire that is in fuchsia pink. Since I'm not going to buy her a cake, I also use this Burts Bee lip balm birthday cake flavor. I also find this Happy Birthday acrylic topper, and since the stem is short, I use some balloon stick to extend the stem. You can also make like this in a pot, in a tumbler. Just be creative, and you can look up Pinterest or even Google, and some other creators are making something like this. Thank you everyone for watching. What do you think about this DIY gift? Let me know on the comment section. Your like, comment, and share on this video greatly helps my channel grow into a better one. Bye everyone, till next time!